Take a pot and add half cup of oil. Now add the medium-sized sliced onion. Cook onion until its color turns into light pink. Now at this point, add half kilogram beef. Mix it well. Cook beef with onion for 5 minutes at high flame. Now add 1 tablespoon of salt. Now add 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste. Add 1 tomato and cook for 5 minutes. Now add 2 glasses of water to make it tender. Cover and cook for 35 minutes on low flame. After 35 minutes, now add half tablespoon of black pepper powder. Mix it. When water dried and all separate, add 5 green chilies. Cook beef with chilies for 3 minutes. Add some julienne cut ginger also. Now it's ready to serve.